Are you telling me that after 7 years together, you still get aroused by the same woman?
I do. How often you do it?
Oh, it's different now because we got the kids.
I peed.
Hi, hon.
How was your day?
Usual.
I want to speak to a manager. I'd like to complain about how hot the waitresses are here.
Yours?
Good. Trainer really blasted my glutes.
You are not buying some 20-year-old broad a motorcycle.
This girl makes me feel young again.
Bang, bang.
She's a kid. Buy her a Hello Kitty book.
Jason and I are seriously considering getting a divorce.
And that is why we are going to go here.
It's Disneyland for adults.
You guys are gonna have a blast.
Actually, we have found a great group rate.
This looks like a screensaver. They got fish that you can see through the floor.
Welcome to Eden, your itinerary.
A couple of skill building at 6 a.m. I think there's a misunderstanding here. We signed up for the fun stuff.
You either partake of the entire package or have none of it.
So we got to give a little bit of our day up to talk about feelings. How bad can it be?
My husband got caught in this shark situation.
It's time to get the guns and shoot some fish. I had shark teeth penetrate my skin.
That's it.
Maybe they're marking me for later. I don't know.
Remove your mask.
You want to take our clothes off?
I don't have any drawers.
Undress!
Is his junk out?
Yep.
Now it's a party. Thanks a lot for bringing me here to Problem Island.
Would you prefer a male or female, monsieur?
What would you recommend more for like a nurturing, pampering, motherly energy? A man or a woman?
So, Joey, do you have any problem areas?
I hold a lot of tension in my upper thighs.
Jason pulled a gun on our therapist
I'm gonna shoot you in the head.
and forced him to say whether or not we were gonna make it.
What would you say? Put that in. I'll holster this.
Let go, give in, give up, surrender.
Who is that?
That's the yoga guy.
Damn.
Allow me to put on something more proper.
Thank God.
Now, who is ready for their yoga?
This just gets better and better.
See, as I gently go deeper and deeper into a stretch.
Fabio, that's enough with the pulsating.
Give up.
Couples retreat. This is a great way to stretch.
Keep your chin up.
Yeah, oh no, I think I got it now.